know if I don't take light. Light of the world! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know you must have seen from the cover, I'm unboxing my tripod and ring light that I got from JUMIA, and I want to say thank you to MTN because during the Valentine, they did like a Valentine campaign where you gift your loved ones, and my sister gifted me, and I got a JUMIA voucher worth 10,000 naira. That's what I used to purchase my ring light and tripod. I just had only 280 naira to it. So I just want to thank MTN Nigeria. You guys are trying. I'm seeing it now because there's electricity now. This is Nigeria. So let's get into the video. And yes, my first time ordering online, I'm so happy. That's why you saw that dramatic intro. Hit the subscribe button right now. Me where the coconut food. Let me wear the shop and the rest. I don't know if the lighting is good here. So I'm going to my stance. This must be the tripod. Me where the coconut food. So very fine bag for the ring lights and my ring lights. It's 3 centimeters. Wow, this looks so light. I wonder if it is actually what I ordered is inside. It says invoice from JUMIA and a bag for the tripod. Oh my god. Rotation head, the phone holder. Okay. Hey, I've got a tripod now, and this is the ring light. This is it. Can you fit it to my head? You can it to my head. It says 12 inches. At least my head can enter. Must be the control. Right now, I don't know. Here, wrap this can first. Instead of the tripod today, when I need tripod, I don't know what to do. Browse online to see how to do it again. Like I watch a many videos, I'm still confused. So, this is it. Let me show you guys. This is it, the tripod. Okay, wait. I think I have to like spread it. Place and yeah. Okay, 2.1 meters. Should be taller than me. 2.1 meters. Go like this. Figure it out. So you're watching the video, you're enjoying it, why haven't you subscribed? Sorry, I'm rude. Please subscribe to the channel right now. Now. Oh, this red. Please, look at the lights. Lights on the wall. Lights on the wall. Look at this. Look at it, my eyes. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, they're great. Oh, they're great. Oh my god. The light is really powerful. A different mode for the lights. This one is to increase. So obvious, like this is the highest. Let me count. Wait. This is the highest. And like this reduce. This is how it look like, guys. You know what it's still giving. Then let me give it 1 unit. Let me give it a high. Wait. 1. Another one. Another one. This is the code plus home light. And it is giving a shade. This again. And this is the white. This should be amber white. This is gold. Okay, golden white. This is the code light. Let me have this light first. The more than this how it looks like whitish. Whoa, oh my god. I mean, look now. Oh my gosh, this thing my idols are like your favorites. Is it this one? Or this one? Or this one? I like this one. I want this one. And not least this one too. Let me reduce it. So let me try this is what I see. Let me switch what the doors. No. This is how it looks like from up. Like, guys, can you feel it? Warm. Hey, nope, I don't take light. That's decent. After that, the USB source, so I want to try it with it. It's not a strong power source like electricity, power, but just for shooting photos. Got up to this point. I know you like this video. Just hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the subscribe button right now. Subscribe button.